feels just right. Oh, you know you got me, and we can watch the sunrise and welcome a new day.
Oh, Mr. Takumi Asano.
Yeah. If you just stay, you know you got me.
Asano, the loving finally, ang pinakahihintay natin lahat. Let's give it up for the beautiful, bodacious birthday celebrant, Miss Marian Garcia Asano. His college entrance exam. Is a Filipino friend here in Japan and the husband of Miss Maria's friend, and he is very supportive daw sa kanyang wife. Very sporty, and he has his own sports car.
Birthday. After that, say cheers. Are you ready?
Okay.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Cheers!
Enjoy your dinner.
Grabe, naiyak ako to. Sobrang saya. Oh guys, ito makaka mga angels. Ayan o,
Hope you enjoy this 50th celebration of yours. May all your wishes come.
Anyway, happy birthday, Inday. We used to call each other Inday. Kahit mahal ang pamasahe. Yes! Surprise! So, joke na pumunta dito. So, sabi ko, I'll do everything for her kasi she deserves it.
Alam niyo lahat, natutuwa ako sa mga good message sa kanya eh. Mabait po siya at ang wish ko sa kanya, manatili siya na supportive, walang sawang pagtulong sa family, at nandun lagi yung joy sa puso
all the best, of course, sa family mo na super duper, very, masyado silang mag-effort. At sa aming lahat, at ikaw, siyempre, ang pagmamahal mo sa Pamilya Garcia. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Wish na huwag ka magbabago. At talaga pong super ba ito dahil nagpapahirap po sa amin ng pera. Nag-usap po ako sa kanya. Hindi na nila pinababayan. Thank you, Marian.
Surprise mo namin si Marian. Kaya, na-surprise din po siya sa pamasahe ko. Pinaaral po sa kanya, hindi po ako makakarating dito sa Japan. Pinaaral ko po, alam sila yung pinaaral ko, si Takumi, si Reina, napakabait po nila. Lalo na po yung asawa na si I love you, Yang. I love you, Reina and Takumi. Thank you very much.
Yung kita sa nila. 27 years yata kami hindi nakita.
Wala po ako dapat dito ngayon, Mama. Pero very special. Yung tao na ito sa akin. Kaya pinilit po. Sa kabila na lahat. I love you! Thank you for everything, for all the advice. Maraming salamat.
I don't really care.
Wish you all the best. Salamat sa pag-support mo sa JCOB Chicago Church, lalo-lalo sa pastora. Salamat. At ito, more birthdays. Ganito kami yan. Post! Post ka na? Post! Ganyan kami yan. Bata pa kami. Ganyan, no? Good luck. Enjoy to the fullest.
Yes!
Happy birthday, Chitani. Chitani is like my second mother to me. They are like my family to us, Mama. And wishing you many more birthdays to come. And stay always healthy, sweet, and sexy. And I love you, Chitani.
Pag may sakit ako mula Pampanga hanggang Cavite, lahat pong pamilya. Pumupunta. Tapos sila yung idol ko. Sila yung tunay na magkakapatid na hindi talagang laging sama-sama, nagmamahalan, nagbibigayan. Idol ko sila.
Miss Marian Garcia Asano! Magsuot ng all white?
Sewa at Amaylis.
On the lips! On the lips! A beautiful friend!
Happy birthday to my gorgeous, loving, talented friend in Kumare. And wishing you all the best. I'm wishing you 24 hours happiness and joy, but you deserve to be happy forever and lifetime. I love you, my friend.
Siya ay gorgeous, very witty, good health, long live, and more followers. Alam niyo yan! Million followers! Miss Marilyn!
Tayo at saka healthy, always healthy. Para tayo, lagi makasasama. Sila ate, yan, or sa mga power ng mga kapatid. Sexy. Love you, Yang. Thank you for inviting.
Gusto ko yan.
Happy birthday. Long live. I really remember that days, and God really, got the desire of his heart ate. Yung time na yun, and we discussed together. Kasi nga, same kami ng profession. So sabi ko, okay, mag-nurse ka rin one day. And here she is, talagang wow.
Ikaw ay mananalo ng another 50th birthday again! Happy birthday to you, Ate Mayan! I love you forever hanggang sa ako ay mawala sa mundo. She is a friend. Wow!
Yes, then the positive talks. Happy birthday to the sexy 50th birthday!
You know, Maya, you are perfect. Just the way you are. Nothing more to say. Happy birthday! Marian's married life.
Siya lang talaga yung nakapagpasayaw sa akin. Sabi nila, ano nangyari? Ate, ano nangyari sa'yo? Hindi ko alam. Si Marian kasi ang pasimuno. Anyway, happy birthday.
おばさんというよりも、なんか、おばというよりも、友達に近い感じの、すごく優しい人で、なんか、みんながこう、家族、ファミリーがすごく仲いいのが、とてもすごくいいと思ってます。だからこれからもずっと綺麗で、そのまま幸せな家族を過ごしてください。ありがとうございます。
まあ、遊びに行ってみたいですけど、ね、いろんなこの国を訪ねてみたい、まあ、そういうことをちょっと少しずつやっていきたいなと思っています。だからマリアンに、こうしてほしいっていうよりも一緒にやっていきたいなと思ってます。どうもありがとうございます。
She always thinks us children.
And I will say that I don't want to be like you.
Your daughter is always your mirror.
Because you love me the best. I really love you. Happy birthday.
like you. And I will never be able to truly express my gratitude for all that you have done for us. I love you more than words can say. And I am so grateful to have you in my life. Thank you, Mom, for everything. Love you.
Happy birthday, Maya!